Hi everybody, it's Kurt from stuffopafinds with another demo video. This is for a Panasonic RC-6324 flip alarm clock radio from what is probably the 70s. It's been tested and everything seems to work great on it. The overall condition is surprisingly really good. There's a few scuffs here and there. There's a little glue spot or something up here. It's clear. You really can't see it. You'll see it in the photos. It's about the size of a pencil eraser, maybe a little bigger. Other than that, there's really not a lot of scuffs or scrapes on it. Everything seems to work. Like I said, you can see the clock just flipped from 6:34 to, 6:43 to 6:44 p.m. We're going to have try to demo as many things as we can here. We're going to start with FM radio. Right now it's off. I'm going to turn it to on. I hopefully have it tuned to a station available near me. I'm in my basement, so reception isn't good. Reception isn't good here anyway, but let's see what happens. So there we go. Volume works. Okay, we can try some FM, or some AM, I'm sorry. Let's see if we can get a AM reception near me is really bad.
The highest in 6 months. The economists forecast that made Wall Street nervous. It may build the case for more.
There we go. We have at least one AM station that I can get.
Half a percentage point in Wednesday
I don't know if I can get any more. There we go. So AM radio seems to work just fine. I'm going to pause the video for a minute and get this thing set up for an alarm, and I'll be right back. Okay, we're back. I think the best way to test the alarm on this is probably to set an alarm, set the time, and then manually advance the time until the alarm goes off. So first thing I want to do is I think I'm going to pick this up and try. I hope you can see this. I know I'm having trouble. But right now, the alarm is set for around 5 a.m. I got it right at about 5 a.m., I guess. And it's hard to tell. These old clocks are not digital, so to speak. They're analog digital, so not quite what we have today. And the time is, if you can see that, 8:01 a.m. So what I'm going to do is put the alarm on and come back over here and try to adjust the time until the alarm goes off. So we're set at, it's a little after 5 a.m. I think it's probably more like 5:10 to 5:15, or is it 4:45? But I don't know if you can see it, but it's there. But anyway, well, now here, we're going to move it again because I took the wrong knob. I think that's 4 a.m. So we're going to just keep flipping the time. We're going to have to go a while because we're going to have to go 24 hours. 10 a.m., 11 a.m., 12 a.m., 12 p.m., 1. We're at midnight now, so a little after 2 a.m. And there we go, 3:55. And I'm thinking you can hear that. So the alarm does work. I'm going to try to hit the snooze. So there's our snooze. You're going to have to trust me on this. The snooze works. I don't know how long this snooze is going to go for. I don't really think it's worth making this video 20 minutes long to show the snooze. So we're going to cut it off right here. I think that's about all I really have to demonstrate on this. So this is it. This is the Panasonic RC. Well, let's look at the bottom again and see. RC 6234 from the 70s for sale on stuffopafinds on eBay. Thank you for watching.